All right, hey everybody, my name is Dr. Greg Barnes and I'm a chiropractor and owner of Greenway Chiropractic.
And I'm Dr. Vivian Fedorovich, the other chiropractor in the office.
And what we're gonna do today is give you a tour of our office and show you how we help thousands of people all across the Raleigh area. So go ahead and follow me.
Come on in.
So first thing when you come in, you will see our lovely ladies that work behind the front desk. We have Julie, Ellie, and Keisha, and they all have very specific roles here in the office just to make sure that your experience is the absolute best and you get the best service and care possible. Julie is primarily responsible for appointments and helping you stay on track, because obviously the more on track you are with your appointments, the better results you're going to get and the faster you'll get results. Ellie helps us with events and she'll make sure you're doing all your rehab properly. And just help make sure that your experience here is as fun and as lovely as possible. And Keisha is our office manager, so she mainly helps people accounts stay on track. She deals with the money mainly, so of course she's everybody's favorite person here in the office with that too. So everything in our office is digital. So you'll notice when you come in, you'll actually have an electronic scan card that you'll scan in, and that'll activate your appointment for the day. Which just helps, again, everything keep on track and keep the flow very efficient. One of the other things here that we have as a big part of our office in getting people well is our nutritional line here. So we use whole food and organic products, non-GMO, and we've been able to correct hundreds of people's nutritional deficiencies and just really help complete the picture with their health by helping them get their daily nutrient needs. So we have great things like protein powders, vitamin C and other various vitamins and minerals that people frequently have deficiencies in. When you come into, we always have our calendar events, all the things that we have coming on for the month, all the seminars that we do at least try to do at least one seminar every 4 to 6 weeks, and we have sign-up sheets here for those, as well as just some other general information about things that are going to be going on at this time. After you've entered, the first thing you're going to do before you get your adjustment is going to be to warm up your spine. So just like before you would do an exercise class or lift weights or anything like that, you'd want to stretch and get your body warm and mobilized. So we do that for your spine before you get your adjustment, because we just found after taking care of thousands of people now that the more your spine is warmed up before your adjustment, the better it goes. When it's your turn, then you'll actually come into the adjusting room. So this is where, as they say, all the magic happens. So in here we actually have, it's digital, so you'll scan in here and that'll bring up your health file. So this is actually my health file right now, but you'll see, I'll actually, either Dr. Vivian or myself will have your x-rays so we can know exactly what we're working on, what our goals are, and we are a corrective care office, we're going exactly where your spine is misaligned, and we take re-x-rays and things like that to be tracking your progress as we go along. So we do mainly manual as far as using our hands for the adjustments for those of you that are familiar with that type of chiropractic care. But we also do instrument adjusting as well. So if we need to use a gentler technique or a very extremely specific technique, we have a very specific instrument that helps us achieve that, as well as assist with our postural correction. After you do your adjustment, that's just the second part of the process. The next thing we want you to do is we want you to hold your adjustment for as long as possible. So we have these vibration platforms here where we will put various body weights on you to help correct your postural, deficiencies. So posture is a window into your spine. So if you have for most people working at a computer all day long or sitting at a desk or being on their phones, tend to have a head forward posture like this, which creates severe damage and strain on the spine and nervous system. So we want to work to correct those things long term. So in our office, we don't just focus on a quick fix or get an adjustment to help you feel better temporarily. Our main focus is to get your body healthy and well, and then after that, of course, keep it healthy and well. One other thing I forgot to mention, but as you're waiting in here, we either are playing educational videos to help with just continuing to learn while you're waiting, which isn't usually very long, or we'll be playing Christian music, AC/DC, Bon Jovi, Coldplay, sometimes rap, whatever it is. So we like just to keep the energy up. So we're definitely a very high energy office, which is cool too. So you want to follow me on back here. In this room, we will do massages from time to time, and we also have a knee traction unit. So for patients that have, arthritis in their knees or have severe knee issues, we have a very special machine that helps with that, and people have been really good at getting great results with that. Bathroom right there. And here now, this is where your journey would kind of officially start. So this is our exam and our consultation room. So in here, our main objective and main goal is to begin determining where the cause of your problem came from. So whether you have neck pain or headaches or a digestive issue or allergies, our office focuses on helping you get to the cause of the problem. So, again, digging back into your history, when did this start? When did this actually start? You may even only been feeling the issue for 2 months or 2 years, but when did this problem actually start? So we'll do a very thorough history, figure out what your health goals are, check your posture, take pictures of your posture, and then we'll begin doing several physical exam pieces like range of motion, seeing how well your spine moves or doesn't, and then another thing called palpation, where we can actually feel it on your spine and start finding the areas of misalignment. So once we've completed that, then the next step is to lock in and figure out exactly where those issues are coming from, and the way we do that is x-rays. So pretty much everybody that begins care here in our office, before we adjust you, we take x-rays. So unless there's a baby or a small child, we don't take x-rays obviously on those patients. But our goal is again to look on the inside. An x-ray is black and white. It'll show us exactly where the areas of misalignment are. So it eliminates the guesswork, and then it also helps us to have a baseline for you. So when you start care and you have the various misalignments that you do in your spine, well, after you've been under care for a while, not only should you feel better or be seeing results, but also we should be able to retest those x-rays and show that those misalignments are actually correct in long term. So we'll take post x-rays too on our patients after they've been under care for a little while. So our process is digital, which is great. So we'll be able to know right away if we got a good high quality film. It allows us also to use a lot less radiation than sort of standard x-rays, because the computer will help magnify the image, so we get to use a lot less radiation than kind of a typical x-ray machine for that. And then we use computer analysis on there to literally get down to millimeters, tenths of millimeters, and even to tenths of degrees as far as how off your spine might be. And we do about 60 to 70 different lines of analysis on there, so it helps us know exactly where your spine is misaligned. Lastly here is Heather.
Hello.
And Heather is a registered nurse, and she also works here as well, running our nutrition department. So all of our patients that start care, she meets with them and reviews everything you've been eating, what your kind of goals are in the nutrition area, whether it's losing weight or getting your body healthy so you won't need as much, rely on as much medication. So she'll help you, build a really customized and very doable nutrition plan. Review any supplements that she thinks you might need, or even review current supplements you're taking to make sure that they're high enough quality for you. She also runs our weight loss program. So we have a weight loss program. The company's called Triangle Natural Weight Loss. So if you have a goal of losing really 15 pounds plus over a relatively short amount of time, we have a specific program that will help you achieve those as well. And we have body composition scales in there and other various tools to help us track your progress and how you're doing with that. So that's pretty much it. We'd love to see you in our office here. If you're interested, give us a call at 919-790-8054. Make sure you mention this video if you're watching this for a special discount on your initial appointment. So look forward to seeing you guys. Have a good day.